Something that not a lot of people know about Butler is that it is one of the top 5 ballet programs in the nation. I've been a member of Sigma Rho Delta, Butler's honorary dance fraternity, since my first year here. And at the end of my first year, I was nominated to be the media editor. And at the time, Butler Ballet did not have any sort of social media presence. So I took it upon myself to create and reinvent Butler Ballet's social media. I think by far my favorite memory was making and directing the Swan Lake video. I worked together with Aaron O'Neill and Aaron Downham, and we created a promotional video to promote Swan Lake. It has gotten over 1 million views on Facebook and YouTube, so it was really rewarding to see all of our hard work become really successful. I'm really grateful that Butler has allowed me and given me the opportunities to do these amazing things. I would not have been able to do it without the support or knowledge that Butler has provided me.